Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of cashews. Ever wondered about the tiny powerhouse called cashews and the incredible health perks they bring to the table? Well, you're about to embark on a crunchy journey of discovery. From heart-healthy fats to glowing skin secrets, let's uncover the wholesome advantages that make cashews more than just a tasty snack. Get ready to go nuts for health. Your heart is the beat that keeps your symphony going, and cashews offer a beautiful tune for its health. These nuts are rich in monounsaturated fats, heart-healthy fats that can help lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol. Cashews contain oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that's also found in olive oil, known for its cardiovascular benefits. These healthy fats work as a shield, guarding your heart against various heart diseases. They are also a good source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy heartbeat and supporting muscle function, including the heart muscle. What's more, cashews have a low glycemic index and may help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes. Maintaining a healthy weight is like finding the perfect balance, and cashews can tip the scale in your favor. Despite being calorie-dense, cashews are packed with fiber and protein, making them incredibly satisfying. When you feel full and satisfied, you're less likely to overeat or reach for unhealthy snacks. Plus, the healthy fats in cashews keep you feeling satiated for longer, curbing those pesky hunger pangs. Furthermore, gallstones are like little troublemakers, but fear not, cashews come to the rescue. Studies suggest that regular consumption of nuts, including cashews, may significantly reduce the risk of gallstone formation. Cashews are loaded with healthy fats and fiber, which can help regulate bile production and maintain proper gallbladder function. This harmony in gallbladder activity can discourage the formation of those pesky gallstones. Let's delve into the world of cashews and their magical touch on your skin and hair. These creamy nuts are packed with copper, a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy, glowing skin and luscious locks. Copper supports collagen production, the protein responsible for skin elasticity. Imagine it as the natural anti-aging agent that keeps those wrinkles at bay and your skin looking youthful. And for your lovely locks, copper in cashews aids in melanin production, the pigment that gives your hair its color. More melanin means vibrant, shiny hair, making you the star of the show every day. Cashews also contain antioxidants like vitamin E, which fight free radicals, promoting a clear complexion and a healthy scalp. There is more. Cashews are rich in essential minerals, particularly magnesium and phosphorus, which are crucial for maintaining bone health. Magnesium is like the construction supervisor, ensuring that your bones are built strong and durable. It aids in bone formation and density, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Phosphorus, on the other hand, is the cement that holds it all together. It plays a vital role in bone mineralization, making your bones resilient and resistant to wear and tear. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Your digestive system is like the engine that keeps your body running, and cashews provide the fuel to keep it smooth and efficient. These nuts are packed with dietary fiber, which acts like a broom, sweeping away any digestive debris and promoting healthy bowel movements. Fiber is the hero that aids in digestion and prevents constipation, making your journey through the digestive tract a breeze. Cashews also contain healthy fats that lubricate the digestive tract, ensuring that everything moves along smoothly. They also contain natural enzymes that assist in breaking down food, aiding in better nutrient absorption. But benefits don't stop there. Cashews are a fantastic plant-based protein option, making them a go-to for vegetarians and vegans. Protein is like the building blocks for your body. It's crucial for muscle repair, growth, and overall cellular function. And cashews offer a decent amount of protein per serving, making them a great addition to your daily protein intake. They are also rich in essential amino acids, the protein's best friends, which your body needs to function optimally. Amino acids help in everything from immune support to hormone regulation. Lastly, anemia occurs when you have insufficient red blood cells or low hemoglobin, resulting in fatigue and weakness. Cashews, rich in iron, can be a key player in preventing and managing anemia. Iron is like the superhero that helps your blood carry oxygen throughout your body, ensuring your muscles and organs get the energy they need to function. Cashews provide a plant-based source of non-heme iron, which is easily absorbed by the body. They also contain copper, a mineral that aids in iron absorption and metabolism, reinforcing their role in reducing the risk of anemia. And there you have it, from heart health to glowing skin. Cashews are your crunchy path to a healthier you. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.